Hey folks, Dad here with Elevation Diecast Racing, and this is going to be the weigh-in / Johnny Lightning Challenge car show since my start gate has been delayed in delivery. We'll credit that to UPS and leave it at that. But I figured why not take some time and show what is going to be racing at the Johnny Lightning Challenge. So these are going to go in the order in which they arrived. They have been numbered that way, and that is the way they will run in qualifying. So for cars, entries number 1 and 2 come from Knobby Ridge Dragway Diecast. The driver is Victor Fastlane, and his first entry is a 1967 Chevy Camaro weighing in at 52.3 grams. And for his second entry is a 1969 Olds 442 weighing in at 50.4 grams. Entry number 3 comes from Old and Slow Racing. Driver is Joe in the 1965 Shelby Cobra Daytona weighing 37.2 grams. Gotta love those Shelbys. Entries number 4 and 5 come by way of Redline Salvage Inc. And entry number 4 is the green vintage GTO Redline edition. And car number 5 is the green Redline Jaguar. GTO weighing in at 53.6 grams and the Jaguar 45.3 grams. Entries number 6 and 7 coming from Puffs Racing. And entry number 6 is a 2012 Corvette Z06. Weighing in at 43.9 grams, driven by Puff. Entry number 7 is also a 2012 Corvette Z06, driven by Misty G, also weighing 43.9 grams. Entry number 8 for Spidey Racing driver Fred D in the 2004 Marvel Superman or Spider-Man. And he weighs 68.6 grams. And entries number 9 and 10 all the way from Finland. It is Northern Roads Racing. Driver, Northern Roads. Entry number 9, the Black with Flames Camaro, weighing in at 60.5 grams. And number 10. Number 10 will be the 67 Shelby GT500, weighing in at 58.7 grams. Next up, coming from Puerto Rico, Diecast Show Customs driver Xavier with entry number 11, the red 96 Dodge Ram 1500, weighing in at 62.4 grams. And for entry number 12, the 70 Corvette Stingray, weighing in at 47.7 grams for Diecast Show Customs. All right, up next, entries number 13 and 14 from Big Poppy Racing. Driver is Big Poppy. Number 13 is the Nevermore pickup truck, weighing in at 43.7 grams. And number 14, the 67 Chevy Camaro, weighing in at 51.4 grams for Big Poppy Racing. Up next for Wesley Cole Racing driver Wesley Cole. It is a pair of 69 Black with Flame Camaros. Number 15 weighing at 60.7 grams and the number 16 weighing in at 60.6 grams for Wesley Cole Racing. Up next is entries number 17 and 18 from Bucky's Racing. Driver Bucky. Number 17, the Gold Studebaker, weighing in at 65.4 grams. And at number 18, it is the Lava Mama Studebaker, weighing 66.5 grams for Bucky's Racing. All right, coming in at entries number 19 and 20, the Cash Money Boys. Driver, Cash Money Boys. Number 19 will be the 1969 Cougar Eliminator, weighing in at 46.3 grams. And running at number 20, it is the Monopoly Studebaker Champ, coming in at 63.9 grams. Driving for Cash Money Boys. And coming in at number 21 from Motor Mouth Racing, it is Jerry Holly from Parts Unknown, driving Bozo the Clown, weighing in at 30.4 grams. Driving for Motor Mouth Racing. Coming in at entries number 22 and 23 is Blue Line Racing, driven by Blue Line Racing. Number 22 is the Black with Flames Camaro, weighing in at an even 61 grams. Also in the number 23 spot is the 71 Dodge Challenger. It is the Grape Ape, weighing in at 60.4 grams for Blue Line Racing. Coming in at number 24 from the land down under, Cut Rocker Diecast, driver Mark D in a Topper Stiletto, weighing in at 46.1 grams, representing Cut Rocker Diecast. What a sharp looking ride. Up next for Hot Nuts Diecast, driver Craigster Sr. Entry number 25 is the Chi-Town Hustler, weighing in at 51.7 grams. Entry number 26, the 55 Chevy with the Badman tampo work and lightning wheels. He is weighing 45.6 grams, driving for Hot Nuts Diecast. What a sharp looking ride that is. Up next for spots number 27 and 28, Mr. Aramis Rodriguez making his return to Mile High Raceway. Number 27 is the 1969 Black Camaro. Looks like a jet black Johnny Lightning Camaro, weighing in at 62.5 grams. And also in the spot, number 28, is the 1971 El Camino. Very good looking rides for Mr. Aramis Rodriguez. Coming in at number 29 is going to be DXP, Diecast Racing. Driver DXP in the Surf El Camino, weighing in at 67.1 grams. Very sharp looking car. Hoping to see some speed out of this guy. Coming in at spot number 30, Slanman Customs, driver Slan the Man, driving in the Wolverine Cuda, weighing in at 56.7 grams. Looking sharp, looking tough. We'll see if the Wolverine can cut his way through round one. Up next with entries number 31 and 32 from Dennis Taylor, driver Mr. BFG. 31 is the Black with Flames Mustang, weighing in at 58.3 grams. And he also, with number 32, is the Black with Flames Camaro, 60.4 grams. Mr. BFG in the house. All right. Entries number 33 and 34 from the Chase Family Racing. Driver is N count. Number 33 is the Incredible Hulk Dodge Ram, weighing in at 60.6 grams. And in spot number 34, the Black with Flames Camaro, also at a 60.6 grams for the Chase Family Racing. All right, for entries number 35 and 36, all the way from across the pond in Germany, Bavarian Diecast Racing. Driver Marcus Reichel. Black with Flames Camaro number 1, weighing in at 60.8 grams. And in the Black with Flames Camaro number 2, weighing 60.6 grams for Bavarian Diecast Racing. And up next for spots number 37 and 38, it is Numbskull Racing. Driver is Numbskull. In the number 37 spot is the 68 Camaro, the number 11, weighing in at 54.1 grams. And car number 38 is the 63 Studebaker Champ, number 5. It is the Monopoly Studebaker, weighing in at 63.9 grams for Numbskull Racing. All right, up next, coming all the way from Michigan, is spots 39 and 40 is Bobby D's Lakeside Raceway. Driver is Bobby D. Spot number 39 will go to the Black with Flames Camaro, also known as the Crusher, coming in at 60.8 grams. And in spot number 40 is Dega, a Talladega GT, at an even 60 grams for Bobby D's Lakeside Raceway. Coming up next, in spots number 41 and 42, it is the Scale Racing Channel. Driver SRC. In spot number 41, the Black with Flames Camaro, weighing in at 60.8 grams. And in spot number 42 is going to be the Coca-Cola Studebaker, coming in at 64.6 grams. Driving is the Scale Racing Channel. Coming in at spots 43 and 44 for Poverty Hollow Diecast Racing. Driver is Scoop Dively. Number 43 will be the Hemi-Cuda, also known as the Grape Ape, weighing in at 60.3 grams. And in spot 44, the ever popular, ever infamous Black with Flames Camaro, weighing in at 60.5 grams. Poverty Hollow Diecast. And coming in at the 45th spot from Black Bolt Diecast. Driver is Bolt in the Fox Body Mustang, weighing in at an even 44 grams. This is one of Isaiah's friends. He lives in another state as well, so he wanted to race, so we put him in the Mustang official pace car. There you have it. And to the winner of the race. You'll win the race, and you'll win the shot at my fastest Johnny Lightning, which is, of course, the Black with Flames Camaro. He also holds, as of right now, he holds the fastest stock record here. On August 17th of this year, he set down a 2:05.7. So as of right now, this is the track record holder. My Black with Flames Camaro from Johnny Lightning. Super excited about this race. And thank you for your patience with the timing. I wanted to have qualifying yesterday. It looks like we may do qualifying late tomorrow night. And I'll post it Tuesday while I'm at work. And I would like to stick to the schedule and race on Wednesday after work for the Johnny Lightning Challenge. Thank you to each and every one of you who sent in car or a cars. Thank you, everybody who sent along some extra candy along the way. Thank you very much. And we'll see Monday if there is any other entries. I will let them in, and they'll qualify. They'll be in spot 46 and on. So as of right now, we have 45 entries for the Johnny Lightning Challenge here at Elevation Diecast Racing. Thank you, folks. And if you did not send in a car and you want to pick a winner for this one, go ahead and decide your ride out of these 45 entries. Pick your team. Let me know who you think's going to take it. Will it be Blue Line? Will it be Diecast Show Customs? Will it be Northern Roads? It could be any number of these entries. All seem like they have a shot. So, from all of us here at Elevation Diecast Racing, if your car isn't fast, at least it'll look good on the shelf. We'll see you on qualifying day.